is Cafe Royal Hotel. It's in Regent Street. Beautiful look at the chandelier. This is so beautiful. We're just waiting to see if we have a coffee here. I'm waiting for Jay. We just use the washroom here. So beautiful hotel, like 5-star, top-notch 5-star hotel. Well, we're in Newborn Street, beautiful street of luxury shops, amazing street. Wow, Jay's favorite shop, shopping street. Well, we're going to Mayfair, so guys, let's continue head to Mayfair. Yeah, so far the streets are looking look at the cars behind me. Guys, I just saw a car with a Christmas tree on it, and this car is actually currently spotted in Mayfair. We're in Mayfair, yeah? There's supercars everywhere. There's Aston Martin there. Well guys, I completed my street with supercars. How much do you think all these cars worth? Well, that's the latest Bentley V8, you know. Let me know what you think. So guys, we're going to the corner. It's one of the most iconic hotels in London. So I'll put the camera down. Guys, we're just outside the Connaught Hotel with all the supercars. You know, you can imagine the Lamborghini, the Bentley outside here. We're just going to the patisserie to see if we can find something to drink and eat. Amazing! Look at the whole crowd behind me. That's richest. From Kuwait, you know, look at the street. The street is full of supercars, unbelievably supercars. It's a G-Wagon, it's a Bugatti, no, that's a McLaren GT, that's Ferrari there. It's just madness. Oh, it's a Ford, it's a Ford one. Well, let's continue touring. There's another car coming there. Exactly. It's overpriced. Yeah. Guys, I told you guys the street here was millions. Can you believe the cars on this street? It's just madness. Now let's continue, shall we? Guys, so we just finished having a drink at Connaught, so I'll definitely see you guys at the Claridge's, okay? Going there for a drink, that's all. But you have to be in the queue at Connaught for about 30 minutes before you get a seat. Unless there's a Bugatti. Ferrari.